Hare Krishna guys, this is my second video. We study about the characteristics of a statics. Here characteristics is of futures also. It is called as futures also. Let me study. First characteristics is statics are aggregate of facts. Statics are aggregate of facts means statics are a group of facts. Single or unrelated figures are not statics. It's a group of facts. It's not a single fact is not called as a statics. For example, if the age of a person is not statics, the age of a single person is not a statics, but a series of relating to the ages of a group of a person will called as a statics. The first point is telling about a group. It is not a single. It tells aggregate of a facts of a numericals or others. That is called as statistics are aggregate of facts. Next, statistics are affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of a causes. Statistics data are affected to a considerable extent by number of causes. It is affected by many causes. Many causes it by affected. Like example, like price is affected, and supply, demand, import, export. Here its effect on statistics only. Numerical facts will changes, so it affects directly to the statistics. ಇದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೇನಂತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ statistics are affected to a marked extent. It's a marked extent by a multiplicity of causes. Here for statistics multiplicity of causes are there. And next point, statistics are numerically expressed. All statistics are numerically expressed, like a quantitative, qualitative expressions, and good, bad, young, old are not a statistics. These are quantitative only. Only statistics are really explained in or used more than theoretical than numericals only. That's why statistics are called as its future is numerically expressed, like qualitative expressions and good, bad, young, old are not a statistics. These are all not a statistics. Expressions, expectations, not a statistics. It is a numerically expressed. And let's start. Next, statistics are enumerated or estimated according to the reasonable standard of accuracy. It gives a reasonable accurate data to be. Statistical data are used on the basis for statistical inquiry. It is used for statistical inquiry only. We use statistics for our inquiry. It gives a accurate data, not it doesn't give not accurate data. It always gives a correct and accurate data. It doesn't give any incorrect data. And when we start our inquiry about the statistics, like numerical facts, we use according to formulas. Let's we study next in next videos, like on sums. Then I will explain you how it will inquire the data. It shows. That's it. That's why the characteristics of statistics are enumerated or estimated according to the reasonable standards of accuracy. It has a more reasonable standards of accuracy. And next, statistics are collected in a synthetic manner. The statistics data must be collected like a plannedly collected or scientifical methodsly collected. Here data are collected in a planned way or scientific way. That's why the statistics are collected in a synthetic manner means correct manner. Statistics are collected for predetermined purpose. Statistics, why we collect the statistics for predetermined purpose? The purpose of collecting data decides in advance. In advance only it helps to collect the statistical data. Should be well defined. We should be well defined and specific purpose. It is for specific purpose. That's why it is predetermined purpose. Always statistics are collected or data is used to collect for predetermined purpose only, not for post-determined purpose. That's why statistics are collected for predetermined. It has the characteristics. Statistics should be placed in a relation to each other. Statistics data are collected for comparison purpose. It can compare one to another. It is necessary that data should be homogeneous. It should be correct and it should be accurate. Here in statistics we can relate to each other. We can place relation between each other. It will help us to get more accurate and effective result. These are all 7 characteristics of a statistics. I will explain it shortly. If you want notes, comment me, I will upload it. Thank you.